Hi guys, today I will install a new Raid automatic insect killer in this dispenser. So the old one is here. I just removed it from here. So just disassembled. Also remove the battery to have a new battery. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So but first I want to measure the weight of the new one. So it's showing here 185 grams net. So I have an empty one, so very light. Then we'll measure the weight. So just turn this on. So now it's 0. So 94 grams. They're on. So try to measure this one. So just remove the cover. So 188. So not bad. So it's showing here 185, but it is 188. So I think it's okay. Then let's try to install it. So just remove the weighing scale. Have here the new battery. Just place a new battery here, 9 volts battery. Okay, put in place. Make sure this is off or 0. Then this one is slide in. You can see there is notch here. This one will fit in there. So then push, then twist. Now it is installed. So I'll try to turn this on. Then there should be a like a squirting action. So first, and wait. Yeah, can hear that. So it's with a little bit of insecticide. So this one is ready to go. So I just use a 12 instead of 24. 12 is I think 12 times per day or something. I don't know, I forgot about it. I'll just put in the video description what does it mean, 12 or 24. Or probably this is 12-hour protection, is 24-hour protection, something like that. Okay, then it's ready. Make sure don't face this one to you because it will squirt the insecticide. Or first back to 0. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.